What's up, skiers and riders? Sam Lucca here with your Tuesday, February 5th Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. Today, we have some similar warm temperatures to yesterday. Right now it's about 43 degrees and we're looking at a forecasted high of about 52 in the afternoon. Some light 5-mile-per-hour winds as well. Now the forecast is projecting we might get some snow on Thursday. You can stay tuned in on that by checking in on the daily snow report updates every day.
Hey!
Hey!
You want to see the movies?
Good morning. Well, this Saturday, February 9, come on down and hang out at the Blizzard of 78 party. That's hosted by the Wormtown Brewery. It's going to be a great time. Today we have 5 lifts running and 25 trails, machine groomed, ready to be carved up. Just watch out for some of the variable conditions because of the change in weather. It is absolutely a fantastic, beautiful day out here. I really want to see you guys come down and hang out with me on the slopes. I'm Sam Lucca. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the slopes.